everyone, I just wanted to take a minute to show you the new procedure for how you're going to be doing things virtually when you have PE for the rest of this year. So the first thing you're going to do is get yourself over to Google Classroom. You are going to find your class. These are the old classes, so I'm not going to click on it, but once you go there, you're going to go to Classwork. And in your classwork tab, you're going to see something called Virtual Fitness Calendars. And that's going to open up this calendar for March 2021 for this month. So I'm just going to go over exactly what you need to do and then get you on your way. So this is your workout calendar for the month of March. Every single day that you have virtual PE class, you will go to the correct corresponding date and complete everything linked on the page for that day for your participation grade. So part one is completing a warm-up video each day, and those are like some fun challenges just to get you up and moving in your house. Part two each day is completing and logging your physical activity each day on your mastery check form. Part three is if you finish those two things and have extra time left before your next class, you should work on missing assignments, iReady, and or reading your IRB. All right, so you can reach out to me with any questions that you have about that. But here is the calendar, and what you're going to see are links each day. So if it is Thursday the 4th, you're going to click on the warm-up link, and that's the warm-up that you're going to complete for today. It should take you to a video that is going to explain exactly what you're going to be doing for that challenge for the warm-up. Second thing you're going to do is your Google form. Click and open that up. And this is your physical activity tracker right here. So you're going to click next. You're going to let me know how your warm-up went today. So the warm-up challenge that you did, was it hard? Was it super easy? Was it fun? Was it not for you? I just want to know so that I know what types of things to put in the future. And then you're going to pick what type of activity you want to complete as usual. So if you want to do a dance workout, click next, pick your dance workout, press play, complete that video as they're doing as well. And then you are going to scroll down, tell me which video you completed, click on next, give me your basic information, so first and last name, today's date, what class section you are in, how difficult was the activity, and then how many minutes were you active. Okay, after you complete all that, you're going to press submit, and that is going to get you part of your grade for the day. Then if you are done early, so if you have 15, 20, 30 extra minutes in class somehow, you're going to click on done early, and you're going to have your instructions for what you should do after your physical activity mastery check is done. All right, so you can follow these slides, click on these links if necessary for whatever part you are on and what you're going to do with your extra time. Okay, so option number one is makeup work. Option number two is iReady. Option number three is reading your IRB. Okay, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to me, but I just wanted to put together this real quick video to show you what the virtual experience is going to be like each day that you come in trimester 3. All right, reach out with questions and have fun with your physical activity.